Alright, to get this thing started, I just wanted to show that I'm using Screencast from Screencast-O-Matic.com. There's a software that I had to download, but after that, that's how I've been recording all my videos. Uh, this is just my document explaining why I chose the samurai. I think they're underrepresented like warriors, along with many other warriors throughout history. They're underrepresented in the classroom, and so I just wanted to shed some light on that and maybe make history a bit more interesting for people that aren't as interested in some of the more boring parts of history. But that's essentially why I chose the samurai. Grant made some comments over through here. I can accept them just by clicking the check or the X, so I'm going to go ahead and do that down here. And then his two comments were just that he wanted to know why I was focusing on the Tokugawa period, and he supports my reasoning for at least choosing this. But the only reason why I wanted to focus on the Tokugawa period was just because that was when the samurai were at their prime, so to speak. That's when they were well known. But that's it for me.